sa dami ng equipment sa barko, bakit sa libro natin, mata talaga yung ginawa nilang main equipment, di ba? It's because Colreg was written for the worst case scenario. Hindi lang siya para sa mga advanced na vessel. Rule 1, paragraph A, this rule shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected to therewith. Yung keyword lang is shall apply to all vessels. Ano ba yung all vessels? Diba, vessels mean every description of watercraft. So kahit bangka pa yan, windcraft, seaplanes, lahat ng mga yan, they are called vessels. So dahil required sila na mag-follow sa rules, all vessels, hindi naman pwede na i-require natin silang lahat magka-radar. Diba? Bangka ka lang, speedboat ka lang, kailangan may radar ka talaga. Diba? Hindi. It doesn't make sense. Pag tingnan nyo rin sa Rule 7, nakalagay doon, proper use shall be made of radar equipment if fitted and operational. Ibig sabihin, alam nila na kahit may radar ka, pwede rin hindi siya operational, pwede rin masira. Tapos, if fitted, kasi hindi nga lahat ng vessels mayroong radar. Kaya, worst case scenario, masira man yung radar mo, ano ba yung gagamitin mo? It's only the sight. Kaya yung rules natin, dinivide nila sa sight. Okay? Hindi radar. Saka sa Rule 5, they also emphasize this. Sa Rule 5, maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing, as well as all available means. Sight talaga yung nauna.